My name's Simon Locke and I'm the Commercial Director at Wedd Joinery. We're a manufacturer-only business. So we manufacture furniture for commercial fit-out and residential fit-out at the higher end. So we do high-end office buildings and residential houses. I don't know if it sets us aside from all the competition, but we pride ourselves on incredible attention to detail and problem solving as well. So we get brought some really interesting large projects that need to be thought about. We have a strategy of trying to replace some large pieces of equipment every year or every couple of years to make sure we're always kept up to date and nothing gets too old. Our previous planer thicknesser had been with us for about 50 to 60 years. I'm not exactly sure the date of it, but it was an old Robinson machine. And it was a solid cast iron bit of kit that did an amazing job, but it had straight blocks, it was loud, it was harder and manual to set up, and we just wanted something that was, take us on for the next, hopefully, 50 years. For us, noise was a big part of it, and with the spiral blocks, you can hardly hear it running. We basically looked out there at the big manufacturers of kit, but we didn't want to use the space for a separate planer and a separate thicknesser. We wanted a combined machine, and SCM were the only one that we could find that did a high-end machine that did both. I think just digital automatic setup is an important part of working quickly and working accurately. Being able to type in a dim and press play is far easier than having to do manual setup. So it's all about speed and accuracy, really. I think it's amazing when you get a new bit of kit that does the job well and easily. It's amazing how much more it gets used. So previously, if someone wanted to PAR a couple of bits of timber, they would previously set up the four-sider, and it'd take us some time to set that up, and then they'd use that because no one wanted to use the ancient brute of the Robinson. It was a good bit of kit, but it took a long time to set it up, and it was loud, and it just wasn't something that people made a beeline for. Whereas a good bit of kit that's easy to use, that's modern, that's digital, that's silent, I mean, you don't even have to wear ear defenders on it, it's that quiet, then they use it a lot more. So we had the same bit of kit that did the same job in principle, but I'd say this one gets used 3 times as much as the old one does. We came to the showroom, had a demo, which was great. We'd never buy something blind, we'd buy something without seeing it working and seeing it running and feeling it and seeing anything can look good in a brochure, but it feels good. And it was great, nice guys, nice environment, good showroom. We came up and did exactly what we needed to do, which was just to get some confidence in the machine, and we were given that confidence. Yeah, Carl demoed it, showed us the machine and gave us that confidence to carry on. We had training on the day, so we had it installed, it was delivered, we got it in place, got it set up, got it connected and services to it. And then we had a day of training set up. We had 9 or 10 guys gathered around having a demonstration of how to use it, answering questions, and great. After day 1, it was up and running in a piece of kit that everyone was confident to use. There's something about having a high quality, solid bit of kit that does that works the way that one does. That it feels like it will be a part of the workshop for a long time.